Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm out here at my 2017 Tesla Model X, and today I want to change out the armrest. And so as you can see here, I have that, what do you want to call it, beige interior color. And one of the things I don't like about the beige interior color is the way it fades and look old quickly. Once it starts fading, it just looks old. And you may just want to change it because this armrest here gets used a lot because it's a driver and could start looking bad. And maybe you want to change out both, or just maybe just need to change out the driver side one. Either which way, I'm going to show you how to remove it and how to switch it out. For me, I just want to switch them out to the black ones. That way you don't see that aging look up here. And it's all black here anyway, so I don't think that's going to be a big standout feature. So the first thing we want to look at is the bottom down here. So you can see that's the track, right? And you see those little balls in there? That's all that holds it on. All right, so all we want to do is take it, slide it out so that you can grab it, maybe right about there. That way you can grab it under here and then just pull up on it. Sorry about that, to pop it off. Let's try that again. So hopefully I don't leave the phone. Grab it. Wait a minute. So what you want to do is just grab it underneath. Oh, there we go again. All right, there we go. So we have both of them off. As you can see, the same track. You can see this is where it runs along on here. It's a little lithium grease in there, so be careful. And as you can see, the bottoms are exactly the same as my replacement ones, except this one, I got them from two different, these are used that I purchased. They cost me 40 bucks each. And I just went for different suppliers because this used one looked better than the seller who had the other side for this one. So this one doesn't come with the track. So we're going to need to transfer the track over from here to here. All right. All right. So I have my 20 star bit. I think it takes a 25, but I couldn't find my number 25. So my 20 should be just enough to grip it. Go. Slide that up a little bit. Now we have our two screws. We'll take this off here, transfer it over to this side. Then put these in here. Now, one thing I want to call out to you is that, by the way, that's done. But one of the things I want to call out is that there are really like three different styles, I would say, on here. You have the one-piece wide one that the Model S has, where you don't have two separate ones that slide individually for the passenger and the driver. It's just one big wide one. To make sure don't get that one. And then there's another one for the Model S that you'll notice it actually looks similar, but you'll see a stitching running along this side right here, and the same for the other side. That is not ours too. When you flip it over, you'll even see that the track is differently. So just to be safe on yours, go out, pop it off, verify your track looks like this, and then when you're purchasing yours, if you're buying it used or new, again, I paid 40 for mine, each new, which is in great condition. and then you should be able to just pop it right on. You just want to bring it over, line it up, and just give it a good whack. There we go. And the same for the other side as well. Just bring it over, line it up good. Make sure you got your left and right on, because you'll know it kind of bevels down here and here on each side. So make sure that bevel is up there, and down here is really just flat. Once it's lined up with the track, let's give it a good whack. There we go. And that's it. So that's how you change out the armrest on your Tesla Model X. You can change out just one or both. You can buy them used or buy them new. It's up to you. But if you like, hit that like button and definitely hit that subscribe button, because I have other YouTube videos working on my Tesla Model X, my Tesla Model S, and my Mustang Mach-E. Thanks for joining.